My name's Sally Martin at SheepMetriX, and this is one of 10 YouTube recordings that have been developed to assist sheep and goat producers use Excel for storing, collating and using their data captured via an electronic tag. In this video we're going to talk about a formula called Concatenate. The Concatenate formula is a way to be able to bring a number of data points together into one figure. I often use this as a way to collate some information so that I'm looking at one trait rather than multiple traits, and I particularly use this with pregnancy scanning. We have talked about VLOOKUP and how you can utilize that formula to bring a number of data sets together into one, and pregnancy scanning is a really good example. In this particular spreadsheet we've got the electronic tag of the ewe, and we've also got their pregnancy scanning status over 4 years, so from 24 this year, 23, 22 and 21 pregnancy scanning. So you'll notice that this particular ewe doesn't have any pregnancy scans past 2021, and that may be because she was dry in 2022 or that she reached the end of her productive life. What would be good to include in this data set is the year of birth. So if I right click, I can actually insert a column and I can put year of birth. So I could go in and add that in later, but we won't do that now. But that's something that I think would be worthwhile. Where Concatenate can be used is to be able to combine a number of the pregnancy scans over a period of time. Put an additional column where we're going to use the formula Concatenate, and this will be a combined preg scan. So we go equals Concatenate, and then we want to combine the 21, the 22, the 23 and the 24 pregnancy scanning. So I've just highlighted those cells, and each time I click on the cell I've got a comma in between, and then I close the brackets. So very quickly, over the 4 years, I can quickly see that this ewe has had singles every year and she's dry this year. And then we can just copy that formula down, and then we can go on our filter, and we can actually, if we go on largest to smallest, we can actually start to identify ewes that have had twins every year quite quickly. This is also something that I find quite useful in being able to very quickly look at one number rather than trying to get my brain to calculate multiple numbers. So that's using Concatenate to be able to bring a number of data points together into one number. Concatenate is a really great tool to be able to use where you've got limited space on either your stick reader or your indicator, so you can have one trait rather than multiple traits. I hope this has been helpful.